Very good morning, friends. Let us dive into another case law, which is in the syllabus of advocate on court examination. This is case law that Githa Hariharan versus Reserve Bank of India, which was decided in 1999. In this case, challenge to Section 6, Subclause A of the Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956 was under consideration. This section states that the father is the natural guardian of the minor child and mother is the guardian only after the father's death or incapacity. So, wider interpretation was given to this after rather than reading it literally. So, Githa Hariharan, in her petition, argued that this provision, that is Section 6, Subclause A, discriminated against women by limiting a mother's guardianship right and thus violated Article 14, right to equality, Article 15, prohibition of discrimination of the Indian Constitution. So, friends, the background of the case is Mr. Hariharan applied for relief bond in her son's name in 1984 with her as the natural guardian, but the Reserve Bank of India rejected her application and insisted that the father's consent is or your guardianship certificate is needed. So he approached the Honorable Supreme Court under writ petition. The Honorable Supreme Court ruled in her favor. It interpreted the word after in Section 6A not literally but broadly, and it gave meaning to the after is in the absence of the father. The court stated that mother's right to be a natural guardian should not be contingent upon the father's death, but rather on the father's inability or lack of interest in performing his duties as a guardian. The court emphasized that guardianship decisions should focus on the welfare of the child, and both parents should have equal rights in guardianship matters, barring any exceptional circumstances. So, friends, this landmark judgment does struck down the rigid application of the law as discriminatory, affirming that a mother can be the natural guardian if the father is absent or indifferent, and promoting gender equality in guardianship rights. That's all, friends. God bless. Have a nice day. Read this topic again and again.